Should I start?
Yes,
Yeah.
come in.
Thank you.
Have a seat.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Give an introduction, please.
Bobby good, sir.
Okay. So my name is Talib Alam. I completed my graduation from Jamia Millia Islamia and currently I am doing CMA. I have completed my CMA intermediate as well. I have completed my articleship as well. Now I am looking for job and I have written my finals examination.
What kind of job do you want?
Sir, actually I am looking for accounts executive. Related to accounts executive, but if is there any substitute, so I would go with GST or DT as well.
Can you explain CGST?
CGST, yeah. Sir, CGST's full form is Central Goods and Service Taxation. Like whenever we do any intrastate transaction, that time we apply SGST and CGST. We have to apply both, and CGST goes to the central government and SGST goes to the state government.
Thank you.
Yes.
So can we have your resume?
Yes, sir. I also want to give to you.
Thank you.
Here you have.
What are your hobbies, Talib?
Sir, actually I am a studious kind of person, so I don't have any other hobbies, but I love to do study and else I love to play cricket only.
Besides study, any interesting thing that you like?
I love to play cricket and this is all. Like I love to play, I love to enjoy my own company.
So Talib, as you said, you are a studious person.
Yes,
So
sir.
don't you think that being too much studious, it can harm as it can give a problem as insomnia problem?
Yes, sir. Somewhere it can give me insomnia problem.
Yes.
But if I do study in my free time only, like I don't pressurize myself to do study or to get something which is not important for me. I just do only those things which are important for me and which are beneficial for me. Like if you would say, Talib, you have to learn about politics, so I would not learn about politics because it is not, all in all for me. It is not going to help me in my future. So I just do only those things which are beneficial for me, and I also, repeat my sleeping things. Like I don't follow these things and I don't break my sleeping period as well.
What do you want to say about social media? Why children are addicted towards social media day by day?
Sir, nowadays social media's owners, they are updating social medias. That's why it has become very interesting for everyone. Like if you want to go on social media, you don't need to do anything. Like you don't need to search for anything. If you are on social media, that time you would get an interface. On that interface you would get to know about notification of your messages, notification about your.
As it is mentioned that you are a fresher.
Yes, sir.
As a fresher, what is your salary expectation?
Sir, as I have done CMA intermediate, so somewhere I am expecting more than 4 lakh per month. Per year.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Annual means.
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you expect by us, sir?
From your side.
Yes.
So
because fresher.
yes, sir. As I have done research of your company and I got to know many good things. Like you guys are having really good leaders in there. So I am expecting something good because your company is globally recognized every year and it's also in magazines. So that's why I am expecting something
May I
good.
ask if you are comfortable with your family background?
Yeah, you can ask.
Means what does your father do and at all something?
So my father, he is working in Cubic, fashion designing company, and there he is a pattern master. He also teaches students from NIFT. NIFT is one of the biggest institute of fashion designing. He also give them training as well.
Actually, before you, one candidate came
Yes,
and
sir.
she is also pursuing fashion designing.
Yes, sir.
So, what kind of thing you have seen in your father that person should learn fashion designing course?
Sir, he has his own patterns like a chartboard and this kind of thing. He draws his things. He draws his thing and he gives these things to his students. Like whosoever are doing fashion designing, he also examines their patterns. Are they good or not? So he does this kind of thing. He is one kind of mentor you can consider.
Talib, what does
Yes,
your
sir.
brother do?
My brother, one of my brothers, he is doing job in Pantaloons, and second one he is doing job from home. Like he is doing work from home.
What do you do? What do you like to do in your spare time?
Spare time. As I said, I am a studious person, so I love to do study related to those things which are beneficial for me.
Which movie did you watch last?
Sir, actually, I don't have that much time to watch any movie, and I am not able to recognize the movie.
Where do
which
you
I
live
have.
it?
Sir, I am living in Delhi right now, and in Delhi,
Okay,
South Delhi, like Sangam Vihar.
Sangam Vihar, as
Yes.
you are looking that our company is here in Noida. So how would you cover the distance from Delhi to Noida.
Sir, like I have heard about your company, you guys provide cab facilities.
But mostly we prefer to women, not to men.
Okay, so sir, I have
because
my
of safety reason.
okay sir, this is good. So I have my own vehicle, I can come with that.
So how would you manage the traffic, because it may take time?
Yes sir, like I have to do job, so I should not consider traffic as any opticals or something, so I should do this.
So at any situation, can you be on time at company?
Yes sir, like I am really punctual. I don't like to waste my time. Whatever I am doing, I know my time is really precious. After it I would not get anything, so I would not indulge myself in that particular.
See, as you asked for 4 lakh annual.
Yes sir.
So what if our company goes from the tough situation? Would you manage yourself to decrease your salary?
Salary declaration.
Yes. If we
our
go
company
with
just face
goes
any
to the tough situation, that could be anything.
Sir, first of all, I don't want your company to go down,
Yes.
because everyone, yeah,
We
sir.
are very glad to
Yes, sir.
have this.
As we are your employee, so I'll be faithful for you. So I would not consider this thing. Like if you are testing me, still I would not consider this thing. Sorry, sir.
Why should I hire you then?
Sir, because I am really faithful. I would be really faithful to your company, and I would be punctual as well, as sir asked to me. And I have qualities for this job. That's why I have applied as well. And I know about your company's perks and allowances, and I think I am fit for that. That's
As you
why.
said, means you are interested in taxation.
Yes, sir.
Company.
Yes,
what
sir.
about those who are do taxation in the means taxes?
Like,
Taxation in means those who don't give any taxes.
if someone is not giving taxes, it means tax evasion, like he is not giving taxes, and that time we can do raid on him. Like we have all categories like
In
AO.
very few words, can you explain repo and reverse repo rate?
Sir, repo rate is that which RBI gives to the banks, and reverse repo rate banks gives to the RBI. Right now current repo rate is 6 point something, which RBI gives to the normal bank, and normal bank gives to the RBI, which is 13, if I am not mistaken. So that is
And about
30.
share market and thing.
Thank
Sir, yeah, I have read
Thank
about
you, Salim. We will call you
Okay,
later.
we'll put your-
Thank you so much, sir, for your
Welcome.
precious time.
That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Can I have this?
Yeah,
Thank you,
take.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.